English is life. But I couldn't dream. Don't say I can't. You can.
Speak English well. And you.
Hi guys!
You should write down what you learn.
Don't lose your pen.
No pen, no notes.
No notes. No study.
No study, fail.
Fail. No work.
No work, no money.
No money. No money. No food.
No food, you get skinny.
Skinny. Ugly.
Ugly, no lover.
No lover. No marriage.
No marriage, no children.
No children. Alone.
Alone, depression.
Depression. Sickness.
Sickness, death.
Don't lose your pen. Your pen, life.
Yes, pen is life. You should write down what you learn. Don't lose your pen.
Never. I can't open my eyes. I'm sleepy. I'm going to sleep.
Sleep? Judy, 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 wake up. We have to make a new video. She's sleeping now. Sorry. Today you will learn other ways to say good night. When you want to sleep, you say good night. You know that, good night. You can say other words. You can say happy dreams or sweet dreams. Happy dreams, Judy. Happy dreams or sweet dreams. You can also say sleep well. Sleep well. You can also say night night. Night night. Or nighty night. Nighty night. And you can say sleep tight. Sleep tight, Judy. Sleep tight. You can say until tomorrow.
You can also say, have a good sleep.
You are still awake?
No, I'm dreaming.
Dreaming? Dream of me. Dream of me. Many phrases to say good night. You can say time to dream. Time to dream. Or I see you in dreamland. I see you in dreamland. There is another structure you can say. You can say, don't let the bed bugs bite you. Don't let the bed bugs bite you.
Big bugs. Don't have big bugs.
Oh, yes, I know that. This is a good phrase to say to someone who wants to sleep. You can say, don't let the bed bugs bite. And that's the phrase, if you want to say goodnight to someone, you can say, let's count the sheep. Let's count the sheep. كده اتعلمنا تعبيرات جديدة instead of good night. Happy dreams, sweet dreams, night night, nighty night, time to dream, dream of me, I see you in dreamland, don't let the bed bugs bite, have a nice dream. Now it's a time to write down these phrases and practice. Don't forget to practice.
Alright.
Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.
Okay. Alright.